Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 DJI drones in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading DJI drone that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The DJI Air 3 Fly More Combo with DJI RC 2. Perfect for capturing stunning aerial footage, this drone is packed with features. Let's dive into what makes it special. The DJI Air 3's dual cameras offer creative focal length options, perfect for travel photography. Show off stunning environments and tell captivating stories through your lens effortlessly. DJI Air 3 complies with FAA remote ID rules, ensuring you fly safely and legally. Check the FAA website for more details on drone registration and remote ID requirements. Fly confidently with Air 3's advanced obstacle sensing. This ensures comprehensive protection even in challenging environments like forests, reducing the risk of collisions. Capture impressive 48MP photos and stunning 4K 60 frames per second HDR videos with the dual cameras. Enjoy breathtaking visuals with vibrant colors and lifelike details. In conclusion, the DJI Air 3 Fly More Combo offers exceptional performance, safety, and image quality. Perfect for beginners and pros alike, this drone is a must-have. Number 4. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus with DJI RC 2. Perfect for beginners and pros, this 4K camera drone is ready to elevate your aerial adventures. Let's explore its features. Weighing under 249 g, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is user-friendly and easy to carry on all your journeys. Skip the tedious registration process and enjoy flying hassle-free. This drone showcases sunrise, sunset, and night scenes with impressive clarity. Share videos instantly without post-cutting and enjoy high-quality footage straight out of the camera. With precise detection capabilities in all directions, fly with confidence knowing the drone will detect obstacles. Perfect for first-time users, it minimizes collision risks. Experience uninterrupted flights with up to 135 minutes of flight time from 3 intelligent batteries. Explore vast landscapes without worrying about battery life. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus offers portability, safety, and stunning visuals. Number 3. The DJI Mini 2 SE Fly More Combo. This mini drone is perfect for beginners and adventure seekers. Let's dive into its fantastic features. The DJI Mini 2 SE is lightweight and compact, making it perfect for hikes, road trips, and adventures. Capture stunning aerial moments wherever you go without any hassle. Weighing under 249 g, this drone doesn't require FAA registration or remote ID for recreational use. Check the FAA website for more details on registration requirements. The combo includes 3 intelligent flight batteries, providing up to 93 minutes of flight time. Explore more and create stunning videos without worrying about running out of battery. The DJI Fly app offers simple shooting templates, allowing the drone to automatically fly and record professional-level videos. Share directly to social media with ease. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 2 SE Fly More Combo offers portability, ease of use, and long flight times. Perfect for beginners and pros alike, grab yours today and start capturing amazing aerial footage. Number 2. The DJI Avata 2 Fly More Combo. This FPV drone offers a thrilling 4K flying experience, perfect for capturing immersive POV content. Let's dive into its key features. With prompt visual feedback through goggles, the Avata 2 provides a cockpit-like perspective. Enjoy the thrill and freedom of flying as if you're right there in the drone. Control the drone's movement effortlessly with natural hand motions. No complex buttons, just easy, intuitive control, making it perfect for beginners to fly confidently. Perform jaw-dropping flips, rolls, and 180 degrees drifts without extensive training. Elevate your flying skills and capture stunning footage with ease. Capture ultra-sharp video with a 155 degrees FOV and 1.3-inch image sensor. Enjoy stunning 4K 60 frames per second footage, perfect for low-altitude shots and immersive content. In conclusion, the DJI Avata 2 Fly More combo offers an incredible flying experience with intuitive controls and stunning visuals. Ideal for beginners and pros alike, this drone is a must-have for any enthusiast. Number 1. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro with DJI RC. This flagship triple-camera drone features a 4.3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, 43-minute flight time, and 15 km HD video transmission. Let's explore its standout features. The Mavic 3 Pro boasts a 4.3 CMOS sensor, 24mm format equivalent, and 20MP resolution. Capture stunning raw photos with a dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops for incredible detail. Complying with FAA remote ID rules, the Mavic 3 Pro ensures you fly safely and legally. Check the user guide for more details on drone registration and remote ID requirements. Fly with confidence using omnidirectional obstacle sensing. 8 vision sensors and a vision computing engine help avoid obstacles, ensuring a safe flight and creative freedom. Enjoy up to 43 minutes of flight time and 15 km transmission distance. The stable signals provide a coherent camera view, perfect for professional use. In conclusion, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro offers exceptional camera quality, safety features, and impressive flight capabilities. Upgrade your aerial photography experience with this advanced drone. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.